Elevation side B, a multi-story building. Gaby wall elevation, a masjid in Delhi. Gaby wall elevation, elevation under construction, a broken street table, a view of madrasa in Kathor, somewhere in fields, a pavement in Bharuch location. Elevation side B, elevation side A, elevation side B in Umarwada village, front elevation perspective drawing, elevation side B, perspective elevation A, elevation a bungalow, old school needs to repair.